Hi, this is your database. This is your code. So we are formatting you are asking. So that's why I developed this step by step. So entire project is completed. So that's why I'm explaining how to run, or if you want execution, or otherwise I'll show in the output only. Okay, both are I'll show it to you. So you are asking these of questions. Is not relevant of project, but some unnecessary questions you are asking. But I explain all of questions. Okay, so this this project is entire R programming language. So you are asking given conditions are R programming language. So that's why I developed R programming language. Okay. So coming to the our topic. So this is your database. I shown to your database. This project. So this is your database. First one and second thing. Okay. 2010 first one and second thing. First I am using box office. Next I am using second thing. Okay. First we have to upload your database in R programming language. So if you know the Jupyter notebook how to use R, so you can use it. Otherwise you can use normal R. Okay, R Studio. Okay, thank you. So first I have to import our database using this thing. So first we have to convert the one variable that is this thing. Just 1 minute. This is your data and converting in variable. So store the one variable. Every time we repeat that variable printed. Okay, so what is the format of this one? What is the main first 6 headings? Okay, what is the tail function? So what is the column names? What we are using call function? So that's why. Okay, so this is your database. Okay, right? You got it right? Okay, after that we get the present working day. If you don't need, just leave it. Okay, I'm in front of you running both execution and process. Okay, I'm explaining to you. Summary of means this entire your data, right? Entire data declaration of what length, minimum, maximum. It is decide of which one is minimum, which one is maximum. It is decide of what. Okay, after that if you want to convert in your string variable you can convert, otherwise no need. Okay, that is the structure of string. Okay, and I want the only row names. What is the first one? That is the first one. So I got this one. I get this one. After that I have to attach the our variable position 3. So now the process is working here. Okay, now the process is working here. It is trying to start execution of each and everything modules. Okay, this thing. Okay, so step by step. So here if you want only one variable data you can get it. You can get the budget data, you can get the CCTV data, box office, Oscar, whatever it may be. If you want you can get it, but I will import all the things on technology, graphics and everything. I implementation this thing. So this is the main important of graphics, ggplot2 packs. If you want you can install it on your system, you can run it same. The execution of flow you can get it same output in your way or in your side. Okay, which is the first one, which is the last one. So it is decided the country, right? So start log, box plot, bar plot, everything I imported and developed in my side. See here one by one. So which is the first one? Okay, right? Okay, it is the ranges of this thing. This is the I am taking the some 30, 60, 80, 90, 120, 150. Sometimes I'm taking the 180 even also. Okay, whatever maybe we are requirement, so that's why I'm taking this here. Okay, our requirement is most important, so that's why we put it down. We got it. Box office, budget, so Oscar, so summary of overview. Okay, again I'm getting the second data, that is the 2010 White House staff. So this is a totally basically employee details. This is the first one is totally hall, cinema theater, budget of country, box office, Oscar length, critical level, this thing. But this is the entire employee status and salary goes basics relevant of positions. So that is the thing. So go to the next thing and I head one and sum of 0. If any variable is missing it will be showing, but there is no variable is missing, so that's why it is 0, indicating 0. Tail of the function, call names, summary overview, and employee names. Column B attached to plot. It is considered the plot. It is decided the one way one images like it is the highest, which is the lowest describe. Okay, given data we have requirement. So we convert in the string format. Structure of data. So this is the page slip. So this is the position of title, employee name. So ggplot we are importing bar plot, page slips. Okay. Okay, I think you got it understood, right? Box plot. If suppose if you want any if you change any color, you can change it. So see here in front of you, I am changing some data. Okay, just box plot is important. Okay, okay, all right. I mean, I'm not executing this part B, so that's why it's going. But everything is working fine. Okay, don't worry. It is a one by one execution is very low, very late process. So that's why I'm not execution all relevant of thing. So that's it. So after that we have to go to the condition terms and conditions question qualitative statics theoretical analysis. So I got this website. First I got this website. I choose 220 comments. After that I relevant the subset of 20 comments around. So I got the information of one by one. So I will show in the Word document. So I put it all the information here, right? So this is your information. Okay. Question number, I mentioned the question number, question 5, question 2, question 3. Whatever bias theorem also I asked. So you mentioned bias theorem also. That is very interesting bias theorem in R programming language. That is not a R programming language. That is some another theoretical questions you are asking. General questions are asking. So good questions, good programming. So I think it is. I'm not saying anywhere. So it is good project about my side. Why means you are asking good questions. So that's why I am very interested in this project over here. So overall, Egyptian flow of mention everything is completed. If you want any further information, go and search in Google. Okay. Thank you.